Ever wonder how your car actually knows when it's low on fuel? That little gauge on your dash is more than just a needle. It's the tip of a pretty clever system. Let's take a quick trip inside your fuel tank. Number 1. The fuel sending unit. At the heart of your fuel level reading is the fuel sending unit. It uses a float, kind of like a toilet tank, that moves up and down with the fuel. That movement changes electrical resistance, sending a signal straight to your gauge. More resistance equals less fuel. Less resistance equals more fuel. Number 2. The fuel pump. Right next to it, your electric fuel pump, working non-stop to push fuel from the tank to your engine at high pressure. Without it, your engine's just a big fancy paperweight. Number 3. The gauge, and why it lies. Ever notice how the gauge stays on full forever, then drops like a rock? That's because most systems are dampened to avoid jumpy readings. It's designed to lie, a little, to keep you calm. Quick recap. Float controls resistance. Resistance signals gauge. Fuel pump keeps things flowing. Gauge isn't always honest. Now you know. Behind that simple gauge is a smart system blending mechanics, electronics, and a little psychology. Hit subscribe for more car insights, the kind your owner's manual never tells you.